We've closed the South America chapter. We are officially in North America. The Papero will soon be as well. And the vibe is completely different here.
Yeah,
it's
really
like
different.
Being in a new world. We're Luca and Giulia, and this is our adventure.
Since quitting our office jobs in 2024, we've been living in our tiny home on wheels, Papero, a capable 2005 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. Our setup is simple, our dreams big, to travel the world.
We're currently overlanding the Americas, from Ushuaia all the way to Alaska.
It's official! A new exciting chapter in Central America is starting for us. After a year and a half in South America, we've made it to Panama City, a place of crossroads where cultures and continents meet, and where we wait for our home on wheels Papero. Join us for the adventure, and don't forget to subscribe.
Good morning from Panama City, from this beautiful landscape behind us. It's a parking garage where my friend from university, Andrea, went to park her car. She's taking us on a tour of Panama City for today. We are in Panama City waiting for the Papero. The Papero is already in Panama. Ship arrived 2 days ago already. We arrived yesterday with the boat. You can watch in the episode. Tomorrow's Monday, public holiday in Panama. Tuesday, they will start the procedures, clear customs for Panama. Hopefully, on Wednesday, we'll be able to go get the Papero. So excited. Meanwhile, we'll do some touristy things around Panama and try to survive the heat. Come with us.
Okay.
This is Andrea. Hi. My friend from university. We actually went to university together, and we've been planning to meet in Panama. How long have you lived here?
4 years. And finally, you guys are here.
Yes. Finally, we made it. And what are we doing today?
We are just looking around the Casco Antiguo, which is like one of the tourist places in Panama. And here is like the colonial times that people used to live here. And yeah, this is the main plaza and the main cathedral. So let's go check it out.
Yes. About to meet again with our friend Andrea and with her dog Trufa. There they are. Ay, gracias. Trufa. ¿Cómo está?
No.
El café no es para ti, mi amor. We are in Andrea's apartment. Look at this view. Wow. Simply incredible. And yeah, that's the pool. It's so beautiful. Amazing.
Adelante.
Wow. Thank you for having us here.
No, you're welcome. Anytime.
After a tour of her apartment, Andrea drove us to a part of Panama City popular with locals. We're driving on a pretty unique road, the Cinta Costera. Thank you to our chauffeur who's taking us around. And it's super cool because maybe you can tell it's going around the Casco Viejo, but there's some water in between, so it's pretty cool. And the light is beautiful. Really cool. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué hay por allá? ¿Te regaste? Ok, ya salió. ¿Y dónde estamos? Or where are we?
We are in Amador, or the Causeway, as we also call it. This used to be a military base or fortress when the United States owned the Panama Canal.
And you told us people to get here, they had to get their passports checked.
Yes. It was, because it was part of the U.S. It was like a U.S. territory.
That's crazy.
Yes.
Yeah. And this was until
1989, I think, or 1990.
Okay, so not long ago. Crazy. Yeah. It's a really beautiful place. And now that the sun has set, it is very pleasant, no? With a bit of wind. Okay, yeah, of course. It's too hot for Luca, but we're doing fine, right? She's doing fine. We're doing great. That's awesome.
Very pleasant or something. It's okay.
Okay. And there is an update. So it looks like we won't be able to get the Papero tomorrow as was planned, because there's a lot of backlog work for the port because of the holiday. So instead of processing 2 days of the normal weekend, they had to process 3 days all today. And it seems like they didn't get all the way to processing the container with the Papero. It's still to be confirmed, but it looks like this is not happening tomorrow, which is annoying. It means we have to stay one more day in an Airbnb, one more day in Panama City, which is pretty expensive. I find it a fascinating, interesting place, and it's lovely that we have our friend Andrea here still. We've not chosen to do this trip for cities. I'd say this is a mix of Hong Kong and Dubai. Hong Kong being a city I love and Dubai being a city I really don't like. The vibe is completely different here.
Yeah.
It's like being in a new world. We were surprised this morning with a wake up. We indeed need to go get the Papero.
Edgardo has arrived.
Oh,
See you later.
suerte! I remain in the apartment and Luca goes to Colon to get the Papero. So hopefully everything goes well today and he can get it. I'll do some admin work, some video editing, some planning, and wait for Luca to come back with the Papero.
So, fire up right away. Here we go. They still need to remove a couple wooden blocks that were under the tires, and then we can drive out.
geschafft, Luca?
Ja, oh, so ein Aufwand.
And we're back in the Papero. Everything worked out. I can't believe it. I'm so happy and so grateful that we didn't have any delays, no problems of any kind whatsoever. So amazing. So happy. We're at the Overland Embassy parking lot and campground. It is a parking lot, but it has a kitchen and bathrooms, shower, and lots of items that other overlanders have left. Yeah, even big items like that one. They're free for grabs. So yeah, maybe we'll take a few things that we think are gonna be useful, mainly gas cartridges. And
We also already left a few things.
yeah,
We wanted to get rid of.
yeah, exactly. So we love this exchange. We've cooked already with some of the leftover food that someone left.
Oh yeah, there's so much fresh food in the kitchen that people leave here when they load the container to ship to South America or back home, I don't know, wherever they come
Yeah,
from.
yeah, exactly. And yeah, in this case, we got a little unlucky. I mean, it was good, but it was very spicy, whatever we cooked.
But if you look sweaty, it's not because of the spiciness of the food, it's because of the climate.
Yeah,
it's pretty awful.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It just rained, and right now it's really, really humid. But we don't plan to stay here much longer. We have a few jobs that we want to do on the Papero,
Yeah.
and a few spare parts that we need to buy.
But we can probably find them just around the corner. Spoiler, we did not find them around the corner.
We're running errands, looking for parts. Found a
sensor?
yeah, and I just wanted to let you see the constant traffic of Panama.
We've never seen such traffic anywhere.
No, this is crazy. It's like, look at that.
city center.
No,
far out.
Yeah, it's not a nice area. Now let's go find other things. I've been waiting for over half an hour to get a key that we need. That's like $4. It's been ridiculous. Super long line to the cashier. And once I made the payment, I have to wait again for my name to be called for the item to be delivered to me. It's complete chaos. They have no idea what they're doing. It's full of bottlenecks, full of like empty desks with people not serving anyone. It's terrible. Estamos en la tienda de Wirt Centroamérica con Kelly. Hola Kelly. Y vamos a escoger algo para nuestro carro.
As it usually happens in these shops, you go in for one thing and you leave with 5 or 6. So there's lots of nice things that we're currently looking at.
Just for everyone who didn't know, this was Luca's first company where he worked, and where that also paid for his studies and employed him for the first time.
5 years, and it was a really great time. It's such a great company, not just the product.
Yeah,
It's actually a great company.
yeah, and it's super nice because it's a multinational all over the world.
And you can find the same products everywhere.
It's an awesome network. Got the things we needed,
Yeah,
or some of them.
just bought 2 things, not everything as we wanted. But it's okay.
It's okay, now we head back to the campground. It's been an exceptionally long day looking for stuff.
It's already 3 p.m.
Yeah,
Barely
crazy.
had breakfast.
Yeah. Okay, so we finally got to work.
This is the old one. There's some pieces still inside that I have to take out. This is what it's supposed to look like. This one goes in there. With this pin through it to hold it in place. This is the gear shifter for the transfer case, so basically for 4x4. And it needs this kind of bearing inside to allow it to move it properly. It's really hard to push it out. We'll use the FBH, the so-called FBH, the f***ing big hammer.
We spent the next couple of days doing mechanical jobs on the Papero. As predicted, changing the little bearing inside the transfer case gear shifter required quite some violence.
So what we do now is put this one over here, this one goes in, and this pin through it. This is what happens, this goes in and holds it in place, and it's allowing for its movement that it's supposed to do, but not much more. There you go. No play at all.
It's repaired!
Finally made it to the last day here.
Yes, we're finally leaving this parking lot. I mean, after all, we did have a good time here. We did a bunch of stuff. The only annoying thing is that by now it really should be dry season in Panama, and it keeps raining every day, like heavily, which makes life on this parking lot a little harder. But
It's okay.
yeah, say no more. We're going to Puerto Lindo on the Atlantic coast to meet with my university friend Jack. Jack has been sailing his catamaran, mostly in the Caribbean. Coincidentally, he happens to be here in Panama doing maintenance work. The boat is actually out of the water, and he offered the catamaran as a protection to park the Papero under and do all of the jobs that we still need to do. So yeah, excited about that.
We'll do some maintenance together.
Yes, and we'll spend some time with him. We haven't seen him since our wedding 3 years ago, so it's exciting to be able to reconnect with him. We finally leave Panama City. It's been a good time here, but we're honestly very happy to leave. Some interesting driving for the last stretch.
But Jack had warned us.
Yeah, it's very potholy, and because it's raining buckets, this is what the Papero was made for, so this is fun. Hello! Finally! Finally, we got to see one! Oh, hello!
Look at him! Ah shit, it's raining a lot. It's better anyways. Oh, so sweet!
Happy?
We've never seen one before.
No, we've been looking for them since Argentina. Hi, really cool.
Totally unbothered.
Really cool, really cool. Interesting place. Oh my god. Alright, we've made it. Now we need to find Jack.
Yeah.
Hello! Good morning, everyone, from Alcazar. I asked you if you were ready to be on the YouTube. You said yes. Who do we have here? Introduce yourselves.
My name is Jack. What? That's true.
I'm Lise. So yeah, we have breakfast, arepas with eggs.
On Alcazar, we do this thing called breakfast. It's where in the morning you eat food together.
Love it. I
Hey, look,
love this.
it's Cheetah.
Hello. Hi, Lucas. Hi, Cheetah.
Good morning, YouTube. Is it live? Yeah, we are live right
You're
now.
live.
After so much effort crossing the Darien Gap, doing maintenance and navigating the logistical and bureaucratic hurdles of Panama City, it's time for a break from the road and from the Panamericana. Joining an unexpectedly awesome boating community at Panamarina for a few days, helping Jack with some work on his boat, but mostly spending time together doing fun stuff in this Caribbean paradise. But fear not, we will be back in a couple weeks ready to hit the road, from here all the way to Alaska. See you then!